मुझे नहीं मालूम आप लोगों को 70 या 80 के दशक में था ये, दो जासूस करें महसूस दुनिया बड़ी खराब है। हाँ, तो दो जासूस हैं अभी। 2014 के चुनाव में इन्हीं दोनों जासूसों ने एक नारा दिया था, घर घर मोदी। एक नारा ऐसा है जिस पे ये वाकई अमल कर रहे हैं, घर घर मोदी, हर मोबाइल में मोदी। संचार साथी, ये संचार साथी के चक्कर में मत पड़िएगा, ये साथी नहीं है। ये सरकार का एक हाथी आपके मोबाइल में आके बैठ गया। हाथी मेरे साथी भी पिक्चर थी एक। और इन दोनों की पुरानी आदत है, ये बीमारी इनकी पुरानी है जासूसी करने की। गुजरात में मशहूर है।
I absolutely welcome it. I remember raising my voice about it, and I will continue to say anything that damages the constitutional rights of the citizens of this country, we will continue to raise. Shiv Sena, Uddhav Bala Sahib Thackeray ji's party, and me as a member of the party will continue to, talk about those issues which impact ordinary lives. This was nothing but a surveillance mechanism being implemented through devious means, and we exposed that. People pushed it back, and we had a minister who tried to cover up yesterday. He tried to call it the Bevajah ki controversy, but now that all his lies have been out in the open, have been challenged openly, have been fact-checked, they have been forced to withdraw it. But I'm glad that we pushed them to do this, and we will continue to raise the voice of the people at every forum possible, at every forum available.
देखिए, ये निर्णय गलत था। वो हमारे जो फंडामेंटल राइट्स हैं उस पर हनन है, कुठाराघात था, और हमारी प्राइवेसी पर इंटरफेरेंस था, जिसका पूरे देश में पुरजोर विरोध हुआ। हमने भी विरोध किया था, तमाम लोगों ने विरोध किया। अब सरकार को इसको ध्यान में रखना चाहिए। मुझे उम्मीद है ध्यान में रख करके इसको खत्म करे, यही चलिए, धन्यवाद, बधाई देता हूँ।
It's a relief that government has backtracked from its draconian decision of invading into the privacy of the people in the form of Sanchar Sathi. It's a victory of the people. I congratulate all those people who stood up in protest against this heinous tactics of the government of India to invade into the privacy of the people. But this is just a beginning. There are many other measures which are intended to usurp into the private space of the people, and one such measure was insisting SIM to be part of WhatsApp, Telegram and other app model communication devices.